Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to receive money using Wells Fargo's transfer services. So let's get straight into the video. We're not going to waste any time at all. So the first thing you want to do is to sign into your accounts. Now you can sign into your accounts on the mobile app, or you can do that on the website using your computer. Now once you're signed into your account, you just want to click on transfer, and then you want to select the type of transfer, that's person to person or whatever, and then you're just going to enter the sender's information and transfer amount. Next, you're going to review and confirm the transfer detail, and then you're going to wait for the transfer to be processed. And be sure to review and understand the transfer terms and conditions, and consider setting up transfer alerts. That way you get notification when the transfer is done to you, and you can review and understand the transfer limits and such. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to receive money using Wells Fargo's transfer services. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.